Everyone, welcome today to my project, which is analyzing the Enron dataset using machine learning. I'm Ananya Gangavarapu, and this is my CS50 Final Project. So what is machine learning? So machine learning is essentially just a group of methods that help computers to essentially learn using data. And using the data, computers can use this algorithm to make predictions about the data. And machine learning uses the process of algorithms to make these predictions, and it leads into other fields such as data science and AI. So what algorithms do in machine learning? So algorithms are essential to analyzing data in an extremely efficient way, and there are two types of algorithms, supervised and unsupervised. Supervised learning is basically you know the inputs and outputs of your data set, and you basically make predictions about that data set. And unsupervised learning, you know your inputs, but you don't know outputs. So, for example, if you know basically the house price, for example, house price and house size, then this will be supervised learning. But if you don't know the price, this would be unsupervised learning. So let's talk about Enron for a sec. So some backstory about Enron, the Enron Corporation. So Enron was an oil and gas company founded in 1985 as a result of two smaller oil companies, Internorth and Houston Natural Gas. It was founded by Kenneth Lay, who was the CEO of Internorth at the time. Soon it was one of the most powerful companies in America, and it got 6 times as most innovative company by Fortune 500. However, the corporate fraud was exposed, and many of the company's executives went to jail. And the Enron Corporation is a collection of 600,000 emails from almost 150 employees. And basically what we're doing in this project is trying to identify persons of interest. So if we go right over here, we'll see that I've imported some major libraries. Here I basically declare my features, which is the persons of interest, their salaries, their bonus, and their stock options. And I basically open the Enron corpus. Here I basically remove any unnecessary outliers that'll confuse the algorithm. Here I just basically put the data for just easy access so that we can extract the features and the labels. Here I declare features and labels. And then I declare the training sets and the testing sets, which are extremely important in machine learning as they sort of help you put in accurate prediction. Training data is just sort of the groundwork for your data, while the testing data is the one you actually will use. Here I basically transform the features into getting some new features. Here I use feature selection. I use feature selection here, and this is basically an algorithm that helps to pinpoint the most important features. And this I use select k best, which is a specific algorithm that basically puts the k most important features and removes the rest. Here is an intermediary step called PCA. PCA basically picks how many principal components, or in most important features, also known as principal components, and we rank them. And we basically use this as a little bit of an analysis for analyzing data. And we plug all of this into our supervised classification algorithm, in this case I used as support vector machines, which is one of the main supervised classification algorithms. I declare my classifier, I fit it to the training set, I predict using the testing set as that's what you're really supposed to do, and I print the accuracy. Here I print my precision and my recall to evaluation metrics, and then I basically access it and see what happens. So this is my project. I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and thank you for watching.